Hi, hello, welcome to my new video. In this video, we are going to check on a pickup SUV. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed and click on the bell icon to receive notification. So let's begin. Here it is, the Centy Toys Trailblaster UTE series. This is available in 4 different colors: red, blue, green, yellow, and it has an MRP of rupees 470, an openable tailgate and openable doors. Let's unbox this. Now let's check on it. Trailblaster. This is a 4x4. This is actually a scale model of the Ford Ranger. This toy comes with openable front doors. Wow. Just look at the interior. It is a right hand drive interior and it also has an openable tailgate. Now let's remove this. This is actually a pulley. You can use it to tow other things. This toy also has well detailed tail lights and headlights. Made in India by Centy Toys. And this is the main feature. This toy comes with a pullback action feature. So if you like my video, please click on the like button. Share my video to your 10 friends. If you have any doubts or suggestions, please tell me in the comment box. Subscribe my channel for more new videos. Click on the bell icon to get notification of my new videos. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Till our next video. Bye.